You might already know some Russian names, but you might be saying them wrong. For example, many people say ANYA, but in Russian it's not ANYA, not two separate parts. Nya. It's smooth and connected. Ня. Аня. А-ня. Аня. Don't break it into two parts. Nya. Nya. Make it smooth. Ня. Ня. Can you hear the difference? Ня. 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 The key is the N sound. Make it softer. Listen. N. Regular. N. Softer. Can you hear the difference? N. 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 Let's start with the Russian N sound. N. 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 To sound more Russian, touch your upper teeth with the tip of your tongue. Let's try this together. N. 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 Good. Now, let's say it softer. N. 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 The tip of your tongue goes down, touching your lower teeth, and the front goes up. Try saying it with me. N. 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 Remember, the tip goes down to your lower teeth, and the front goes up. N. 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 How is it going? Can you do it? All right, let's go back to the names. Now that you can do the soft N, it's much easier to say Russian names correctly. Let's learn how to say Anya in Russian. Not ANYA, but ANYA. 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 Try it like this. First, say the soft N like you already can. Tip down on your lower teeth, front up. And then add A. Nya. 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 No pause. Make it one smooth piece. Now let's say the name Anya together. Anya. 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 Good. Now let's practice with more names. Таня. 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 not Tanya. Соня, 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 not Соня. Ваня, 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 not Ваня. Даня, 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 not Даня. Тоня, 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 not Tonya. Good. Now you already sound more natural in Russian, and this is just the beginning. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Alright, that's all for now. See you in the next lesson.